Rage on that beat, going crazy.
So today, don't worry about all this extra shit that ain't the points in this video, okay? Because this was the second time I had to install this video. Make sure y'all check out the first time I did it. But anyways, I have to part the hair first. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna part it so we can do our swoop. And then this hair is not straightened at all. I used the hot comb and I just straightened up the roots real quick. So it wasn't straightened. I used the hot comb. Okay, that should be good. Alright. And then we're gonna do a swoop just like this. And once we do that, that's when we're gonna repair. Alright, so just watch me do my thing. Now you're gonna take your styling foam.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Alright, cause you probably don't clips. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to put it in a ponytail and then we're gonna let it dry. So I'm obviously gonna wrap it, but we'll just don't worry about this part. We're gonna fix it when we get back because the important part was just to slay this part. So I'll be right back. I'm gonna let it sit for about 10 minutes and then we'll be back, okay? Alright, y'all, I forgot to tell you that I did spray with the got to be spray, so I'm gonna just show y'all real quick before I wrap it again. That's what I did, pretty much, just to keep it sleek. Woo! Ciao. Be careful, y'all. Y'all can see it's sleek, right? I have to detach. tight. Alright, y'all, I'm about to wrap it and I'll be right back. Alright. And this is baby as I gotta do. Alright, it's been more than 10 minutes, but that shit on sleek. That's my aunt. Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that. It's all good. I mean, it's not really hard. I can't really do anything. It's all good. We're gonna fix that shit. It's a wig, for Christ's sake. It's all good. It's all good. It's through sleep though. Period. Now. What I'm gonna do is I'm going to take. Should I leave it like that or should I take it out? But I said I have this part out. Yeah. And then this part is gonna be some tucked in. Have to stick it back down after. Alright now. Now you gonna let me take my AirPods off. We're gonna get the water. You can get this from my hair store. I don't remember how much it was. You can definitely get from my hair store.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.
Y'all see this? Giving me very much Nicki Minaj. And that's on period. You know what I wanna do? I wanna add those pins. I have these pins on, like those pins. I'm about to show y'all in a second. We're gonna add just a little bit more to make it more wavy at the bottom. Period. I did that. Okay. We're gonna fix that in a minute. That's this. Alright. Then you're gonna take your mousse. Just to keep it wavy and wet. So that when it dries up, it's cute. Why is it like that though? No. I think this part, that's why. Probably this part of there that needs to go back some more. There you go. Hey, yes ma'am. Alright y'all, so I'll be back. I'm gonna go get my pins so I can put it on. I still gotta do my edges, so I'll be back to do that as well. So, I look cute in the drink. but I know they're gonna try to copyright my music, so not my music, but like y'all get what I'm saying. So almost done. So yeah, I did my people are so funny. I'm getting fit too. Well, not anymore. I've been in the gym. We done, y'all. We done. Like, look at that Nicki Minaj. Bond.com. Wait a minute. What's this hair? Hold on. What's this hair in the part? Alright, so then I'm gonna spray it just so it can stay still. You know what I mean? I don't gotta worry about that part. Well, that's about it, y'all. I'm about to wet the hair just a little bit more. I'm gonna wrap it again. Then I'm gonna put my pins in. So just wait for me, guys. It's gonna come out fine. It's already looking good. I feel like this part should be in the back. Okay. Alright, guys, this is the finished look. So you basically just want to wipe your hair for about 10 minutes. And as you can see, it's wet, it's cute. I love this look. So this is what I was trying to tell y'all about. I'm about to put it on. I'm trying to see how cute it's going to look. Does it face sweet? I'm screaming. Not it looking like that. First of all, this part can get out. Shit. And this whole jaw can come out my head. Oh man, that's cute. Shit. I'm not gonna do that. Forget it. Fuck back, I got that. This is perfect. Maybe it'll be better next time. I don't know. Forget it. So this is the finished product. Yeah, you want to leave it in your hair for about 10 minutes until it gets like really hard. And yeah, I tried to put this on there, but it didn't look right, so I'll just leave it alone. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed my video. And that's about it. So yeah, like I said, just use this. I had I know some people, they use this brand with the mousse like this, but I only found this one. I got this like a year ago. And then use water, okay? That's all you need. 1, 2, hold on, 1, 2, 3. 3 things, that's it. Alright guys, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. This is cute. This just makes me feel so sexy. Like, I don't know. I feel beautiful for some reason. Alright.